Alright, so here is the next adventure bike. We're going to turn this old Yamaha into an adventuring Scrambler. It's going to be awesome. Super excited. Super dirty, so I'm going to give it a bath. Oh, she looks so much prettier. Yeah, it looks like a motorcycle now.
Well, now you're going to have to come up with a different name.
I know, right? Yeah, I'll have to think of that once it's done. I'm so excited. Where's it at? Oh, you can't see it. Look at that thing. Isn't that cool? It's going to be so badass.
My car there at?
I don't know. No idea. Turning the first bolt on it. Did you drop it? Oh, it's right there.
Yeah, I just think it's gonna run out.
Nope, nothing in there.
My whole fingers don't work for shit.
Oh, I got a drip or something.
Did you run?
Yep. It's pretty thick though. It's real thick.
Turn slack.
So I need to take them apart.
I just run a little gas through it and let it run out.
Think so?
Mm-hmm.
It's dripping. That's gross. What is that?
Is it sticky?
I don't know.
Turns to shellac.
So it's just bad gas.
Mm-hmm. I'm afraid if you take it off out your gasket, you'll tear the gasket up.
Yeah, probably.
We're just wanting to get it started right now.
Yeah, see if it'll start.
And actually, that's on reserve tank. Oh my.
We're gonna try to see if the motor will turn over. All right. Horn works. Oh my goodness. All right, turns over. Holy shit. It hit.
Oh,
There you go. Come on, baby. See how she sounds.
Oh.
Okay. There you go. Needs a little work, but that's alright.
I've never cried all my life till I met you, girl. It's simple, oh, you're really cruel. You never see me when I want you to. You got me going, I got you too.